Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, guys. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Please turn on your cameras. All right, keep your cameras on quickly, everyone. How many of you have finished the questions regarding particle nature of light from NCERT and NCERT exemplar? Raise your hands. Only two. What about the others?
I have to complete exemplars.
Sorry, what?
I finished NCERT. I have to complete exemplar questions.
Can't hear you. I can't hear anything that you're saying.
And can you hear me now?
Not that much. Let me just put on my headphones. That will. Okay. Everyone has to turn on their cameras today. Every single person today. Every single person present in the class, and nobody will turn it off. Okay. Please open your this one. Can all of you hear me? Hello.
In which book? Can you repeat?
Beta, WhatsApp. WhatsApp. On the group where the link comes for the class. Can you see there are a set of 30 questions? And I had told you from chapter number 2, I'll be taking time-based tests. Okay. Yes. This is totally on particle nature. Else, I'm going to, at the end of this, I'm going to give one more worksheet for particle nature, that is for practice. Okay. Right now, there are 30 questions in this. Till Monday, I want all the 30 questions done. But right now, I want you to do 20 questions in 25 minutes. That's it. Starting 6:06 p.m. Start. You only have 20 minutes. Nobody will turn off their camera. No one. Take a notebook which is different from your current notebook. Okay. Nobody will use a calculator. Nobody will turn off their cameras. Not even for a single second. If somebody is passing by, it doesn't matter. I can see your family members. That's not a problem. Konika, beta, can you turn on your camera, please? I've said it like 5 times now. If you have any doubt in any question, okay, you still have a choice of 10 questions. You are just supposed to do 20 questions from this, whichever you feel comfortable in. That's why it's a time-based test, okay? Do the doubtful ones, difficult ones, whatever it appears to you later on, not now. Konika, why are you attending class from phone, beta? Why not a device like a bigger device with a bigger screen? That way it's better.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, what is permittivity?
I told you, right? Epsilon naught.
Okay.
Now nobody will ask any question. I told you if you have a doubt, leave that question. Yes, are you all done? Yes, please. How many questions done? Quickly, first of all, tell me. Each one of you type in the chat. कितने questions हो गए? जल्दी जल्दी से. Come on, guys, you have to pick up your speed. This is 5 more minutes. Quickly do it. Finish now. हिमांशु, स्पीड कम है बेटा. जल्दी करो, स्पीड बढ़ाओ. Konika, how many questions done? I did not get your message. Where is Ashria? She has left. Great. Yes, done. Beta, it's above time. Please finish it up. Jitesh, all 20 questions are done? Srijoni, do two more quickly. Quickly finish it off, bache.
Ma'am, I'm confused about more. Like, should I attempt? Because negative nothing is there.
No problem. Attempt them. Out of 10, you have to choose two more, yeah. There are 30 ना, तो
Yes,
कोई
ma'am.
two और कर दो भाई.
And there are actually 16 questions in it. Like the numbering is improper.
Sorry.
I'm saying that there are 16 questions in it. The numbering is improper.
रुको. Are there 16 questions in the test?
There's 30.
There are 30 questions, beta.
I'm like,
Yes, ma'am.
you've sent two files. The second one I had opened, and there are like only 16, and the numbering is improper in it. Like after 8, they have skipped to 22, something like that.
Is that so, you guys? It's opening very correctly in my PDF, and I generated this test myself.
I mean, it's okay.
It's 30.
I'm
So
getting
I
30
can see
questions
30
only.
questions. It's 30 only.
Okay. मुझे लगा मैं समय से पहले बुढ़ी होने लगी. Okay. Srijani, what is inverse of wavelength? What is the unit of
Wave
wavelength?
number. Lambda. Sorry, angstrom or meter. Yes, yes.
अरे मीटर बाबा, ऐसा
हाँ,
unit
meter.
angstrom is that
meter.
10 raised to power. So inverse of lambda is what?
Wave number.
What is the inverse of the unit?
Okay.
अयो बाबा, what is wrong with you? क्यों जो तुम्हारे के आज? That is the only reason why I'm so wanting. I always want to take surprise tests, and I love them. I always, catch people by surprise, and this is when you
unit
perform
has
the
been
best.
given in terms of instead of unit they have given some notation. That is why I thought of it.
चलो ठीक है,
They
अभी
are
तुम करो.
literally meaning unit of
चलो भाई, shall we? Done, over. युवराज, done. युवराज बैठा हुआ है ऐसे, बता नहीं रहा है, बस बैठा हुआ है, सोच रहा है कुछ.
I have done 18 questions.
18 क्या मैजिक नंबर है क्या? बोर मॉडल में 2 8 18 18 ही करेंगे आज. आप बोर मॉडल सिखा रही हो तो आज 18 ही क्वेश्चन करेंगे, 20 तो हमने करने ही नहीं है. Bas, enough. I'm sending you the answers. Please report the scores. Now, I hope everybody knows how to report the score, right? Everybody knows now? I have given you this thing, right? I've given you a way to report the score. Everybody knows? Are Baba say yes or no, Baba?
Yes, ma'am.
Once
Yes,
you
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell how we should report?
2 minutes. Let me just give you one more worksheet for homework. Okay. Spelling. Now check the answers. I will give you the answers only when you of the worksheet only when you tell me that you have done it, not otherwise. Yes, I'm going to write in the message. How the score should be reported. Right? Out of 20 in this case, in today's test, right?
Ma'am, there are +4 for correct answer and -1 for negative.
-5 होगा ना for negatives. मतलब for you just multiply. See, I'll tell you. Wait, hold on. Let me just write this whole thing, beta. Unattempted. Score, and for today's test, I'm being specific. Out of 20 कराना 80. ठीक है? Now
Your screen
just
is not visible.
No, it's in the messages, which messages. So you just count the total number of correct questions. Okay, listen, everyone, listen to me. Sab suno, please. Count the number of correct questions. Fine, right? Multiply that number by 4. Let's say you have got 15 questions correct. Okay, you were supposed to do 20. You did all 20 and you got, even if you didn't do 20, it doesn't matter. I told you to do 20, the score will be out of 80 only. So, suppose you got 15 questions correct. Huh? So, out of 20. So, 15 into 4, 60, right? So, 60, and you have nothing incorrect. All the 5 you have unattempted. So, 60 is your score out of 80. Let's say you attempted 18 out of 20. So, and out of the attempted like 18, you got 3 incorrect. So 60 minus 3, negative marking. 57 out of 60 will be your mark. Okay, now you got it. So either you do +4 -5 or you subtract -1, -1, -1 for the incorrect ones. No score is to be deducted for the questions you did not attempt. Only if you get used to this marking scheme can I give you the advanced wala questions, so that their marking scheme is little bit different for multiple correct. But seems like you guys are, just slowing your process down. You need to do this quickly.
Ma'am,
G.
should I take those last 2 questions? Because I did not want to attempt those last 2 because I had the time I did.
It's okay, yeah, do it. It's okay, it's fine.
18
But,
means
Anji?
last 2 questions I gave out of guess and that was incorrect only. I did not want to attempt it.
Anyway, the score has to be out of 20. Yeah.
Ma'am, 20 means can I take
You can leave it as doesn't matter. Yaar, do number here and there, it's fine.
unattempted? Can I
It's
take
okay.
it?
Take it as unattempted, no problem. But let me tell you one thing. Here you must yourself know the time also. How much time you have attempted the 18 or 20 questions, or howsoever many. Yeah, you have to note the time yourself. Hai na? Make sure that happens. And I will urge all of you to, the scores are out, let me see. And I will urge all of you till Saturday, please finish the entire worksheet, please. Bhavesh, marks are excellent. Time is, start working on the time beta. Some people will say it's too early, you are just torturing the students. Let me tell you, there are so many students. There are 4 to 5 students of mine who joined me in class 9th for class 11th. Right now, their syllabus of class 12th is over. Okay, their syllabus for class 12th is over. They will be competing with you. I'm not saying they will sure shot clear. I tell them also the same thing. Beta, there is no guarantee. Okay. Guarantee kisi cheez ki nahi hai. That's why, Bhavesh, you remember on the day of PTM, I told you just one thing. Run with the same speed. I told you, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? So your padne ka speed is like, it's very good. I'm happy with that. But time taken should be less. In the 3-hour test of physics, chemistry, maths, you should be able to do, the topper of last year, I think he lied when he said I did chemistry in 30 minutes. He must have done in 20 or 25 minutes. I'm 110% sure. I'm so sure about it. Because you can't have full marks in JEE Mains in maths paper unless you give that much time to maths. You realize that, right? You guys are studying maths. I mean, even if you're just 2 months into the game, but you know it, right? You have to give that much time to mathematics, bacha. You have to. So the way to mathematics goes through chemistry. You have to put less time here so that you can, because chemistry has rote learning bit, na? Maths does not. Right? So timing is very important, बच्चे. युवराज तुमको क्या हुआ? Again, I will take the poll for Saturday. Okay, I will take the class, but I will definitely take the poll to know how many students have done the work. Okay, particle nature, NCRT, NCRT back, and NMSC must have. Finish it up. Okay, finish up as much as you can by Saturday. Rinja, okay, I give it to you this time because you are unwell. Okay, this time I will not say anything. Joynil, what happened to you not practicing?
I actually got less time, so I was in a rush.
You should finish up all your pending lectures and this type of excuse never again. Okay,
Yeah.
just finish up the things and I expect more from you. I definitely expect much more from you. Jitesh, why don't you just give me in the right format? What is this? I already given the format in this thing. Hey Aditya, what is wrong with you? This is the last time I'm seeing this type of score from you. Last time. You don't want to see it again. Same with Isabel. Last time I'm seeing this score. Okay. The score should be more than this, not this. Abhijay, what happened? Varangi, little bit more practice and you can do so well. You need more practice and you can do so well. I know with your kind of, I see you in class and I watch you very keenly. You can do so much better. You've got so much of the type of interest you got in chemistry. I can tell you, you can do better. You can get a full score. In JEE Mains, I can tell you with your kind of this thing, you can easily do 23 out of 25. 2 will be left out, not a problem. But 23 will be correct. You can do this. Even Aditya and Yuvraj, these people also. भावेश तुमसे तो मेरे को 25 की उम्मीद है ना? Srijoni, what happened to you? बेटा आपसे सिलेक्शन चाहिए हमको. हमें सीट चाहिए IIT में भाई. ज्यादा करना है इससे. We need a seat. See, the ultimate aim of being anywhere, I tell my son all the time, although he's just 8 years old, I always tell him one thing. My husband will always tell him, why are you pushing him? He's just, beta, जाओ participation के लिए जाओ. कोई participation के लिए नहीं जाना है. No. Kill the competition. Sorry, yaar. Sorry, I sound very bad. But yeah, I'll just give you one simple example. He had to be a very famous person and he chose a footballer, okay? He wanted to become Kylian Mbappe. He got dressed up, uska pura jersey, he has everything because he's getting trained for football. I said, wait, I'll tell you how to spruce up the competition. Nobody would have done this. You know what I did? There is Golden Boot Award. If you watch football, there is Golden Boot Award in football. You know what we did the night before the competition? We colored his football shoes with golden sparkle. And we made it into a golden boot. and we put it just like the award is. And he carried it to school. And we made from the waste of our house, we made a fake football, this World Cup trophy. We did. Kidhar jayega competition? We did everything. He wore all his medals, everything, wool socks, shrimp pads, everything. He wore everything. Kidhar jayega competition? So you have to do everything. Go all out. I'm sorry, I'm a bit crazy like that as a mother also. I'm the same with his competitions. If you have to do this, you just do. Karo usko. The kind of models that I make for him, my God. You'll say, ma'am, this is too much. You're going over. ज़्यादा हो रहा है अभी. तो ज़्यादा होने दो ना. तो करो ना ज़्यादा. Do it ना. I'm not saying after 2 years your life will be set. You will get this. No. BTech mein you have to do a lot of hard work. Huh? You do have to do lot of hard work in IIT also. But yes, I already told you pay package is nearly 1 crore for a very good engineer. 1 crore per year. Dude, that's a lot of money. Okay. At 25, you'll be sitting in a very good car. That's a very big, this thing for me at least. Because my brother is from IIM, I am from IIT, I can tell you that all this means a lot. And I come from a background where we had only the house that I used to live in was given to my Dadiji, my grandmother, by government when she came from Pakistan as a refugee. That was a 1-bedroom house. That was a 1-bedroom house. We had our fair share of struggles. My brother got a 5-bedroom house now. It's a good thing. I would want to show off. I want to show off. Why not? We have worked I don't know what to say. We have worked so hard for this. My parents, me, my brother, my goodness, I cannot tell you. My child can't even dare to work that hard. I mean, he's getting so many luxuries. So are you guys, right? So put in all the hard work that you have. My son also says, Mama, this is too much. Mama, ये तो कोई नहीं करके लाएगा. मैं वही तो करना है जो कोई नहीं करके लाएगा यार. वही तो करना है अपने को. That's what we have to do. Give all that it takes. Give all that it requires. Everything. अपने को एक seat चाहिए बस. And I am sure right now something is missing with every child. This is not to put you down. No. Even some days I will also curse my own thing I have made for my son. Arey, I have not done this yaar. I want to do a little better. थोड़ा कुछ और करना चाहिए. Let's do something different. Let's do something. Every competition he is doing something else. The whole class was becoming the Isaac Newton. He became Dmitry Mendeleev. कोई बन के ही नहीं आया था. He became Dmitry Mendeleev. Nobody became. He knew elements, 7 elements, 10 elements. I did in my own bit. I don't know. You know how he does in the school. Wo teacher tells, हाँ ठीक किया, अच्छा किया, it's okay. But as a mother, I should do na. As a mother, he should feel my mom did for me. Right? As a mother, I want to do my best. So as a teacher, I want to do the best for you guys. I will give you all sorts of worksheets, everything I will do. But that much amount of, I want the review from you also, na? That much amount of, that feedback should be coming from you also. We are halfway through. Why not full? अरे यार पूरा करो. वो सुना है ना, YOLO, you live only once. ये तुम लोग का ही तो है ना, Gen Z का ही है ना कुछ. तो you live only once, तो crack only once exam क्यों और छोड़ना है? Why to leave anything to chance यार? Just crack the exam and just let it go. There are hundreds of problems, ma'am. You will not understand, ma'am. You are not of our age. I have been there only, na, few years ago. It was not 2025, but yes, I was a teenager once. I know the problems, all the things which are there associated with it. It's fine. the judgment, the this, the that, the pata nahi kya kya new terms are there. Let down, wo kya, this, that, pata nahi kya kya, what you guys are facing as new terms, these are coining every single day. Let them be, yaar. Just each one of you, I should see doing very lot of hard work. Everyone, every single person I should be seeing doing hard work. Okay. I told you even how to skip the questions, beta. Right? I told you make the tables how to skip the questions also. Bataya na? I told na? वो भी I told you. Skip भी कैसे करने हैं? So this much your hard work is being reduced. Okay. So Saturday class, I will take a poll again. Please finish these 2 worksheets and report back to me. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Each one of you. I should see each one of you with double amount of enthusiasm. Increase your higher level also. This is my limit. I will cross this limit this much. You know? How mommy used to see, na? This child is crossing शरारतों की limit. तो cross hard work की limit this time. ऐसे बचपन में मम्मी used to say ना, ये बच्चा कितना शरारती है. कितना he is crossing all limits. This time also you cross limits of hard work. Right? Right? Yes? ठीक है? So we are on the count of 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. And pay attention to every single feedback that I have given to every single child. It will work wonders for you. Okay. That much I can tell from my experience, it will work wonders. Okay. All right then. I will see you on Saturday. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Guys.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
God bless you.